Hello everyone, my name is Jeff, and for the next 8 to 10 minutes, I will be speaking on some of the benefits of streaming, starting with a background application that is the easiest way, one of the easiest ways to eliminate buffering. We're going to take a look at an application from the Google Play Store. If you're on the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like. If you like this content or want to know more about who we are, we'll give you that invitation here momentarily. So let's get right into the unit or into the video. First off, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a minute. It feels like a couple of weeks since I posted a video. But one of the things I ran into when you don't have the right utility applications and you're streaming 100% or you're beginning this journey, having a good utility application that can eliminate background applications is one of the best things you can have. One of the things I believe a lot of people don't understand, the more applications you have open on any Android device, cell phone or tablet, Apple device, it is going to function a lot slower than normal. Having different applications that you trust, utility apps, to force close applications should eliminate buffering. Number two, give you a better experience. And number three, more than 95 to 96% of them are absolutely free in various Play stores or various app stores. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to the Google Play Store. Press OK. Then I'm going to go to the top here and I'm going to go right into search. I'll just spell it out. Just begin to spell it out. Like back. There it is. Background apps and process list. This is found in the Google Play Store. It's tools. It helps you force close applications that are running in the background on your Android TV, your phone, and your tablets. Closing background apps saves battery, extends battery life, and helps reduce buffering. These are some of the screenshots that you can see here, which we're going to show you because I've already installed it on my device from the Google Play Store. So let's go ahead and show you on my homepage where that's at. That should be right here. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And it's very easy to use. These are the applications, 8 of them that are running in the background. Some of these are, that is my VPN, so I will shut that down for a minute. These are some of the free apps that I use for various reasons. So let's say you want to close an app. What you want to do is you just highlight it. You press OK. You'll go ahead and force stop. Press OK to force stop and press OK again, and it'll disappear. All right. My Family Cinema is a really great paid service that you can get from overseas. Has various entertainment on it. I don't like it running in the background. So let's say I hit the OK button. I go to force stop. And then I hit OK again, hit back, and it's there. So we'll do this on every single one. My Spotify account, I'm going to go to force stop, hit OK, go back. This application here, I'll uninstall, force stop, hit OK, go back. I'll leave my blockade, I do it, my Radio Paradise, my radio, force stop, boom, go back. Aerial Dream, I want to keep running because that's my screensavers. And this one here. So I'll press OK. And force stop. Hit OK. And we're done. All right. That's how you do it. Now you can go here. You can whitelist applications that you don't ever want to close. If you hit close all apps, you will have to close them out one by one, to do what I just did. You can go into preferences. You can set that up. You could switch the layout if you wanted to there. Close all apps. That's there. Whitelist them, system user. There's different things that you can run here. So let's say this says 93 system apps that are running in the background. I don't really mess with system applications on the device. I will close my Prime Video. All right. So system apps, I'm going to leave right up there and let them do what they do. But having something like this it's just really, really helpful across the board. And when you have an application that you can find in various app stores, for instance, the Google Play Store, that really help with buffering, it makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to close that out. And one of the other things, that is one of the free applications I wanted to show you. Having things like that utility or any other ones you might find, you just have to try them out. They're all going to work differently, but in the end, when you have something like that, it just benefits you in the long run. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm at the 6-minute mark. I really appreciate that. I'm going to post this on our YouTube channel. Also, I made a video about the $99.99 box, and I'm going to give you guys a chance to get that unit. It is fabulous. I mean, I got a certain amount, 50 from from a manufacturer that we use overseas, and these are absolutely live TV units. They do not have any movies or TV shows on them, but it's strictly live TV, and I think you might like these really great units. What I want you to do is just follow the instructions to get more information about it. What I want you to do is I want you to text a keyword that we created. That way you can get the video link sent to your phone or however you text, okay? So you want to text the word STAR to 858-212-0841. Again, text the word STAR, that's STAR, STAR, to area code 858-212-0841. You'll get a link to a video. Go ahead and watch that. If you're interested in, it's only $99.99. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the video should, that you'll get to your text, should show you exactly what that looks like. With that said, thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to take a look at some of the best boxes on the market. We're going to look at the Formula GTV versus the Buzz TV box. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next video.